can't check the pressure on it real good.
I was letting you put it in there.
Yeah. I want to just get that little rough edge off.
Yeah. We can get that off of there.
I'm trying to
get my
think.
glasses on. Hold on. Hold on. Get my glasses on. See how far we can go in. We don't want to go too far. Yeah, I got something for that.
Okay. I got my little rotary tool. I forgot about that.
See how far you can go into that tube before you get around.
Okay. For real. Yeah.
Ain't been on her.
Yeah.
I didn't think it would be by then the first of the year.
Yeah. They have a bunch of cars in.
Randy, that plugged up?
Which one?
That plug.
The yellow one.
Yeah, I ain't plugged up. It ain't gonna jack up here. I mean, it ain't gonna come on. Just the yellow one, son.
I'm gonna use that rotary.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. I like this microphone. You can go far away from the camera and it still pick your audio up compared to the DJI Mic 2. I guess since this don't have like internal storage and 32-bit float on it, they was able to beef up the range of this microphone. Pretty cool. Mic Mini.
See why that car got a little shaking. I'm gonna rotate the tires, then I'll know which tire. That's something in the back. I think it's the tire.
For real.
That's one of the new tires in the back.
Huh? Okay. Need some more brakes? The brakes?
Like it might be down.
You got disc in the back?
I got regular pad.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't be that hard to fix.
Trying to think where my little cutter's at.
Huh?
I don't know what I did with the little cutting pieces. I'm trying to grind it down instead of cutting it off. I know what I need to do, Daddy. I need to take the middle part out so I don't hit that and go around it.
That's right. Now you think. Now you think. That way you can play with it whenever you want.
Yeah.
Yep, that's smart. Solve a problem before you become a problem.
Yeah.
Smart. Now you thinking. Now you ain't got to worry about hitting.
Yeah.
All that's for is the for your cap to go on.
For the twist on.
Yep. But that shield is very important.
Yeah.
That was good thinking, man. Now you ain't got to be careful with it.
Yeah.
The only thing you won't ever be able to put a cap on.
Yeah.
Well, you will be, because as long as you got a couple little tight places on it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. It's just the end so rough.
Well, listen to what I'm saying. I'm saying as long as you got something to screw to, you can put a cap on it.
Okay.
But you can't go too far,
Yeah.
because that stem gonna hit your cap. You just gotta leave just enough for that cap to go on it now.
Okay.
If not, you won't never have a cap on it.
Okay.
And you gotta be careful hitting stuff.
Okay.
If you hit something, guess what it's gonna do?
Yeah.
Cap on it.
Yeah.
That was a good idea. Just don't go too far.
Okay.
Get a little bit, stop. Get a little bit, stop. I just want to see if this gonna solve the problem that time.
Mhm.
And I think it was.
Mhm.
Usually you can see them when they walk.
Yeah.
Get it out.
Yeah. Huh? Huh? It's leaking.
Yeah. That could be it too.
We're riding it even. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I'm just taking my time, Daddy. Yeah, riding uneven.
Well, it ain't. It's not that it's riding uneven when you go down. It's doing this. It's letting it flop. Cause I can see oil coming from it. That ain't good. It ain't holding the oil. That means it ain't doing what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
That ain't no big deal. Oh, oil one. At least I know what it is.
Yeah.
Get it?
Yeah. We're just trying to smooth it out.
Stop it, Brandon.
Okay. Okay.
Or you go too far.
Okay.
So you gotta put the tube back in, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna spray it out with some air.
It's easier to put it back in, check it, then go too far.
Okay.
It might be checking.
Okay.
You can't mess it up long as that thing ain't in there.
Yeah.
That's a good thing about it.
Yeah. Daggone, Brandon. Broke the little tips off of you. Boy, I tell you what.